Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have another BOXYCHARM. I have not done BOXYCHARM in several months, but I finally decided to go ahead and start getting it again because I really missed it. I love my BOXYCHARMs. So this is like $20 a month and you get full-size products in this. So this isn't the sample type box that you get with like Birchbox Ipsy. So anyway, the theme this month, vacation. And the first thing in here is from BellaPierre Cosmetics. This is Volumizing Mascara. I do like BellaPierre Cosmetics. However, this mascara I find to be just sort of lacking. You know, I mean, it has just sort of a basic wand, you know, nothing special there. And on my lashes, it was just nothing special, you know? I mean, it wasn't bad per se, it just, I was like, Okay, the next thing is from South Maine, and this is a 3 eye gel pack, and these are supposed to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. And so it comes in just 3 packs like this. I have used one of them. I used it this morning, so I've only used it once, and it does say like for best results, use it for three consecutive days. So the gels come in a little tray like this, and they're just, you know, the funky little eye gels. They kind of burned a little bit. I don't know if that's normal, if I was just like, if my skin was really dry and it was a little bit irritated. I don't know what the deal was there. Like I said, I've only used them once, but it kind of burned my eye area. It didn't really, like when I took them off, and I wore them for the full 30 minutes. When I took them off, it wasn't red or irritated or anything. In fact, the area looked very smooth, like remarkably smooth, which I was happy about. I didn't have particularly puffy eyes this morning. I always have dark circles, and I do feel like that was a bit lightened. You know, I mean, it does say for best results, use 3 days in a row. And on my first day, I was happy with my results, although the stinging thing kind of put me off. So I don't know. I'll have to get back to you guys, let you know if tomorrow when I try it out, it still stings, because that would suck. Okay, this is from Pretty Vulgar. I don't have anything else from this company, but the packaging is gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Isn't that just so pretty? I love the packaging. And the color of this blush, whoa, baby. Whoa, baby, that is like neon pink. That is a very, it's almost lavendery, but it's pink, and it is pigmented. It is pigmented, but it is pretty, and it is wearable. I'm wearing it today, and I think it looks really pretty. I mean, I also, oh, that was not a good move. Okay, let's see if I can blend that out. Let's see. See, it's pretty, I think. I mean, you know, on my skin tone, and I think a lot of skin tones could wear this. You do have to be really light-handed though, because it is super pigmented, and this color is so crazy bright. But you know, if you want some crazy rosy cheeks, I think that this is a really pretty color. And it does blend out nicely and everything, so it's easy to wear. It would also make a really fun eyeshadow color. I also put it on my lips, and that was sort of fun. So, you know, I mean, there's lots of fun things that you can do with that crazy color, and the packaging is just so pretty. This little 3-pack of brushes is from a company called the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and this is the Smokey eye brush set. So it is these 3 brushes, and I like the packaging on here because like they say on the brushes, wait, where'd it go? Step 1, for the money. Step 2, for the shadow. Step 3, go girl go. Like 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and 4 to go. Oh, I need a 4th pencil, huh? Anyway, the pencils themselves, I like the size and the shape of them and everything. This one I like packing on the color with. This angled sort of fluffier brush is actually really good for either stamping on a darker color or blending out. What I actually ended up doing was I used this small dense one for kind of, you know, packing on a little bit of color here in my outer V, and then I use the fluffy one to blend it, but I have also used this for stamping on and blending it. But this one is nice and fluffy, and it blends really nicely. They're super soft. And then the short, dense one, like I said, I did use it for packing on color in the outer V. However, that's not my favorite use for it. My favorite use for it is to use as a smudgy brush for liner. So if you were to smudge your liner out, this would work really great. Well, it does work really great. I have used it for doing that, and I very much thought that it was a good brush. So I really like this little threesome. I think that these will come in handy, and I just think they're cute. And then the final thing in here is this BOXYCHARM and Pure Cosmetics got together and made this gorgeous palette. Look at those fun colors. Aren't they just so pretty? And it's, you know, your basic cardboard box with a magnetic closure and a giant mirror, which I love. And these colors, they're so pretty. Look at this blue, it's so gorgeous. So this one I do have on today, but I didn't intensify it, so I have it kind of in my crease outer V area, but I put it on over a peachier color, and so it makes it almost look like a gray. But yesterday I had it packed on my lid, and whoa baby, that blue is intense and gorgeous, and I love it. It's shimmery. It doesn't come off as shimmery as it does in the pan. I think it's actually more glittery, like it has larger chunks of glitter, so it's more of like, you know, a satin finish with bits of glitter in it. Oh, the boxy black is really pretty. It has some shimmer in it, and look how intense that black shadow is. They're all just so pretty. Just a few swatches for you. I hate swatching like that because I feel like it's not a good representation of how they actually look on your eyes. I have used not all of the colors, but most of them, and you know, for the most part, I think that they all go on really nicely. They do have a little bit of like a powdery kickback when you dip your brush into them, so my suggestion is either, you know, knock off your brush a little bit to try to get that powder off, or use a spray, and then that will help, but you know, otherwise you're gonna get a lot of fallout when you're applying these. And there's some matte shades, some shimmery, some more like sparkle ones. I mean, there's a good mix, and I love this. I think this is such a great palette. I'm super excited to come up with more looks with this. I've only used it a couple of times, but so far I've been really pleased with the application and just the color intensity and all of that. So, okay, well that is my March BOXYCHARM. I am really happy to be back and getting these. So anyway, I will leave my referral link if you have not yet signed up for BOXYCHARM. I do recommend it. I feel like this is one of the better boxes out there. They just always have fun stuff, and I feel like they've been, as the company grows, they get better products in their box. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes, or what were your favorite things, what you thought of the stuff I got, you know, all that good stuff. I love hearing from you. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!